In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create disputes on Opay business app, and if you already created a dispute, and also how you can actually check your dispute status, if it has been answered to or not. So all you just have to do, just log into your Opay business app. Then the next thing you're gonna do, just click on the more under service right here. So click on more, then it's gonna take you straight down to this page. Then you can see assistance. Just click on dispute. Then you're gonna see all the tickets about dispute that you already opened. So, and if it has been solved, you're gonna see solved underneath, so that you'll be able to see that the issue has been solved. So for you to create a dispute, just click on create if you haven't created one. Then you can see select business type, wallet. You can see CAC registration. So there are a lot of them right there, depending on the kind of dispute you wanted to open. So let's say for pay bills, so select fail but fund were deducted, successful but not credited, pending for a long time. So you can just select the best option. So once you select, just continue. Then you can see select transaction, select the transaction. But then due to the fact that I don't do any transaction on this particular account, so that was the reason why I'm not seeing any transaction on this page right here. So this is how you can actually go about it. So once you see, just select the transaction that have issue, then you're gonna write a little note about it on what actually happened. Then you submit the dispute, and they're gonna attend to it and resolve it for you within the time.